36. This is a 7A Navigator's veranda on the Disney Magic. You'll see that the Navigator's veranda on the Magic are what originally gave Navigator's verandas their name. They have the most obstructed view in one way, but they've kind of worked around it. There's built into the metal on the side of the ship, and that's why their verandas are very different. This one has no pull down, so it only sleeps 3. And here is the veranda. Hold on. Get it open here. See? Look at that. And these are only on the Magic and Wonder. They are great for the Magic and Wonder for Alaska, excuse me, for the Wonder for Alaska, because they give you a little bit of shelter there. And there it is. Thanks for watching.